Welcome to the mesmerizing city of Marrakech, where centuries of history and culture collide in a sensory explosion. Join us on a magical journey through Marrakech's captivating streets, vibrant souks, and the unique experiences that make it a traveler's dream. Our adventure begins amidst the enchanting chaos of Marrakech's markets. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of colors, scents, and sounds as you wander through the bustling souks. Behold the heart of Marrakech, the historic Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where narrow alleys lead to hidden treasures. Gaze upon the majestic Koutoubia Mosque, an architectural masterpiece. Step into Marrakech's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm. Discover the opulence of the Palace of Bahia and pay tribute to history at the city.I tombs. Indulge your taste buds in the flavors of Moroccan cuisine, from aromatic tagines to sweet mint tea. Marrakech's food culture is a journey through the essence of Morocco. Immerse yourself in Marrakech's rich cultural heritage, where art, music, and traditions are celebrated with passion. Visit the Marrakech Museum and experience the artistry of the city. Experience Marrakech's modern vibes as you explore its contemporary attractions and vibrant street performances. From trendy cafes to lively Jami Elfna Square, the city pulsates with energy. As the sun sets behind the Atlas Mountains, Marrakech's skyline transforms into a breathtaking canvas of colors. Join us in celebrating the magic of Marrakech, a city that ignites the senses. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a food lover, a shopper, or simply a traveler seeking adventure, Marrakech promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the enchantment with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.